What's up guys, this is Dr. Sashi from the KL Sky Clinic, and the KL Sky Clinic is a regenerative and functional medicine clinic, or better known as some of you guys call it as anti-aging, which I do not prefer. It's called regenerative and functional, like easy. Alright, so today I am here to explain to you about vitamin, which is basically B3. Now why specifically B3? Well, we have to start somewhere, and I'm starting off. Hopefully every other week I'll bring you one vitamin, and I'm starting off with vitamin B3. Alright, so few things that I would like to keep it simple is the way I'm going to talk to you and present to you is I'm going to tell you other names of what vitamin B3 is, where do you get it from, what type of vitamin is it, and what can happen to you if there's a deficiency, and also other side effects. Alright, so let's keep it simple and get to the video today. Alright, first thing first is vitamin B3 is also known as niacin, because some of the times when you buy a vitamin box, it might not be written. This might not be written. It might be written niacin, or another name which is also known as nicotinic acid. This is the other name. These are all the scientific names for vitamin B3. Now, don't be confused. This nicotinic acid is not your cigarettes. Not to be confused with the nicotine in your cigarettes. So that's totally a different thing. All right. So this is the name for niacin, nicotinic acid, vitamin B3. All right. Simple. And we have to know that there's two types of vitamins that our body has. One is fat soluble, one is water soluble. So vitamin B3 is a water soluble vitamin. Alright. What are the fat soluble vitamins? I'll tell you when the other topics come, but for today let's keep it simple. I'm going to keep it simple and tell you that water soluble vitamins are easily lost from the body. Okay, because it just binds and just leaves through your urine. So what are the other things that can actually cause deficiency of B3? Is because of poor absorption, means your gut doesn't take it, or your diet doesn't contain enough of B3 vitamin containing food. Alright, so poor dietary intake. So these are the reasons for your B3 deficiency. Alright, so the next part is we're going to talk about a very simple part, deficiency of B3 vitamins. Basically at this point of time we are not in famine, we are not in a phase where we are deficient of food. In fact, we are at a point of time when there's abundance of food, we eat more than usual. So this is just for information. It's something called pellagra. Okay, this is a disease during the medieval times, the old ages, that people used to suffer from: diarrhea, dysentery, and death. They call it the 3 Ds. But then nowadays, guys, do not worry, we're not going to get that. Alright, we have enough from our food sources to get our vitamin B3. But however, there are subtle signs which can be seen if you're having some of this. Alright, so then probably you're having some either poor absorption or poor intake in dietary form, and you're losing out faster. Alright, some of these I think women might be interested is skin, where it retains moisture. Now how it retains moisture in your skin is how it synthesizes or lipid or fat to retain moisture in your skin. And also the other thing is it also helps out with pigmentations. Now this final part is actually still under study, but retaining moisture in the skin, yes, and improving your skin immunity. Alright guys, this is some of the things that works with your skin. But for me, what is most interesting about niacin is its ability to naturally lower bad cholesterol. Okay, although I might tell you that LDL has 4 components, 3 good components, 1 bad component. LDL becomes VLDL, or better known as triglycerides. Now this is the thing that we want to reduce, and niacin naturally reduces your LDL and your triglyceride levels. And not only that, it also increases the chances of HDL, or your good cholesterol absorption. Now these are very new studies. In fact, this is still being studied, how it increases the absorption of HDL. But in terms of lowering bad cholesterol, this is already something which is proven. So this is all good, all right. And absorption of HDL is something which is still under study. But then they noticed that these people, when they reduce their LDL and their VLDL or triglycerides, the HDL levels go up. Okay. So guys, I hope today's video has enlightened you to a certain extent, and when next time you're buying any vitamins and you do not know the name, B3 is niacin or nicotinic acid. And as I've said earlier, the benefits and the causes of deficiencies and the thing which happens to you once it's deficient, all this is in this video. Hopefully you liked it. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.